Wonderful day to be out here grilling. We're doing steaks on the barbecue, and it's actually kind of chilly for grilling on the barbecue, but pretty good to me. There we go. That one's ready to come off. These other ones need to be a little bit more done. I'm going to leave them in another minute. Oh, look at this. My bird buddy is out here. It's like, hey, you're cooking your steaks. I want my peanut. I don't dare come out around here without a peanut in my pocket. I get mugged by these little birds. All right, I think we are done. Delmonico's. Those look just gorgeous. All right.